Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Anne, and this is the Home Bartender. So sometimes I just want something quick and fun, and today's cocktail is just that. Stay tuned for the Pineapple Monkey. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 3 ounces of RumChata, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of banana liqueur, and we will garnish with nutmeg today. RumChata is horchata with rum. It's a low ABV, 13.75 alcohol by volume drink. Horchata itself is rice soaked in milk with cinnamon or sugar or vanilla and water. It's pretty versatile. It can be made with almonds as well. And when I was a kid, on Saturday mornings, like if we had rice the night before for dinner, then I would pour milk over that rice and put cinnamon and sugar in there and eat that for breakfast. Sometimes I would even heat it up. Super good. So let's mix the Pineapple Monkey. So we're going to start with 3 ounces of RumChata. There's 2. There's 3. And then we're going to have 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And 1 ounce of banana liqueur. All right, let's get some ice in here and shake this. I don't want to shake it for too long because it does get kind of thick if you do that. And then I'm literally just going to dump this over the top of this cup with the ice and everything. Look at how thick that is. And then let's garnish it with a little bit of nutmeg over the top. That looks nice. Maybe some pineapple fronds would look nice as well. So let's get those in there. And that is a Pineapple Monkey. I'm super excited to try this today. So let's try the Pineapple Monkey. It's super rich and very smooth and creamy, and you guys know I love rich and creamy cocktails. You get the nutmeg right on the nose. It does have cinnamon and vanilla in there as well. The banana liqueur is very light. This is like drinking Cinnamon Toast Crunch with rum. The thing about RumChata is that you can drink it neat. You can add lime to it. You could even put Appleton Estates with it. You can add coffee to it and make a mocha. And so I put all these ingredients together because I really wanted to add that banana liqueur element. It's a super fun liqueur to play with, RumChata is, and it's really easy to drink. So that's it for me today. I'll see you next Friday for another amazing cocktail. Be well.